Hello YouTube fans, how are you today? Well, thank you for joining today's vlog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today with my laptop computer, I want to kind of show you what you can do with a external hard drive system like this. Now, the problem is, when I first bought this case, I thought the case itself was defective, but no, it was not, because by having two drives in here and the USB port on your computer can't provide enough amps and voltage to the actual external 2-bay drive. And what does that mean is we have the power switch, the USB 3, and also a 5-volt external power source. And that's what we're going to somewhat test today. Is I have this sealed lead acid 12-volt battery here, and we're going to be using that is the external power source with a USB charging power station here. You can see it's just a little USB port unit. It has 5 volts 1 amp, 5 volts 2.1 amps, and we're going to demonstrate how that actual works on this. And of course, you're going to need your USB 3 cable and also a USB power cable for it. This looks like this, and this is a standard USB. And one thing you're going to need is a fuse for a couple of safety reasons, in case if it spikes or some sort, and you don't want to put 12 volts through your case and through your computer and end up screwing something up. And of course, a couple alligator clips, black and red. Now, warning, please don't do this. This is somewhat just a testing stages. Of course, the case actually comes with a AC power brick, but in case if the power does go out, this is some way you can actually test it. Now, let's just kind of slide everything over to the side here. Of course, I'm going to take my USB, slip it down over here, like the wall somewhere, plug that into here, and I'm going to show you what happens when I actually plug it into the computer and why it doesn't quite work. And of course, you can take the USB and plug it directly into the computer. You don't need the 12-volt battery system. You see, nothing. It doesn't do anything because the computer is trying to sync and it's not providing the power with it. Gently turn that off. And let's just get to the testing stages here. Going to take the alligator clip, clip it out. Take the on alligator clip, clip it to the positives. Take this, directly connect it to the fuse. Negative this to that side, and positives to that side. And of course, we have power on that. And of course, we take the very, very long 5 feet USB cable, plug this in over here. We'll plug it into the bottom one because it has the more amps on it, and plug this into the back of the external hard drive case. And now let's see if we can get power. and it's going to work like it's supposed to. Of course, it will load up. There is the hard drive right there on the desktop. But one thing you can actually buy, if you truly want to, instead of going with this configuration, you can just buy yourself a single hard drive enclosure and a hard drive itself and put it inside of here, and you can actually power this off the computer with no problems. But with this method, it somewhat does work okay. But again, I don't recommend doing this to your own devices. Now, it's truly up to you on what you want to do with your setup and with your computer, and also with the hard drive case and the external power source itself. Alright, if you guys are brand new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Please like or please dislike this video if you don't like the content I make. Peace out, bye guys and girls. Well, please see you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching, and have a very nice day. Peace out from your Tech Chris.